Hi art friends, today I'm going to show you step by step how to draw a cute gingerbread house. It's almost Christmas and I have a whole playlist of Christmas art, so make sure to check those out and subscribe to my channel because more are on the way. Let's get started. So let's first start by framing the house, so I'm going to start with an angled line. So this is the roof, and I'm going to round it off at the top and draw another slanted line on the other side. There. And then at each end, I am going to curve it back. And I'm going to draw a wavy line to show the royal icing that's dripping from the roof. Did you know that royal icing is the glue? So that white icing dries very hard and works like cement to hold the house together. Now let's draw the wavy line on the other side. And connect. There. So now let's frame the walls. So I'm gonna draw two lines going down from each side. And we are going to connect. There. Now let's draw the window. So I'm going to draw a small one here. First start by drawing a circle. So this is like the attic. And I am going to draw the window panes. Okay, so now let's draw another window that opens. So this one is also very small. So that's the frame of the window, and now let's draw the window is opening up. There. And now let's add some ovals for the candies, which will shade in green and red later. heart-shaped window. So it's really cute. And we're going to add more icing. And you can decorate your house however you want. And let's draw another same sized window. So we're going to start by drawing a line at the bottom. And these are the icing that's dripping down. And now let's draw the window up and bring it back down. So now let's draw the door. So I'm going to draw 2 candy canes that frames the door. So did you know that Germany started the gingerbread house? So it dated back to medieval Germany. And it started around Christmas. So in the past, gingerbread houses were often decorated with gold leaf and detailed designs to show off their baking skills. Just adding short angled lines to the door so that this is a candy cane design door. Almost there. Now here I need to fix this part just so that it looks symmetrical to the other side. Draw this point across to here. There, so this looks more symmetrical. Okay, now let's color it. And that is how to draw a gingerbread house fun and easy. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!